Hello everyone, my name is Pearl Modi and today I'm going to show you my VS Code extension codeEasy. codeEasy is developed for developer productivity as it makes your coding life easy. This extension is available on VS Code extensions and you can also use it for Google IDX. For more information, you can visit my GitHub repository where all the details are present. Now, how does work? This is the icon of codeEasy. This is basically a code generator at step 1. There are 4 parts of it. First, it can generate your code, it can edit your code, it can fix your bugs, and it can also generate test cases using PyTest. Okay, so first part, code generation. How does code generation work? So, when you click on this icon, you'll get a window panel at the left side of your screen. When you type in, write me a code to add two numbers. To add two numbers. This will add two numbers. This will give you a code on your current editor to add two numbers. When I click on generate, it is generating the code and I'll get the correct code on my IDE. Okay, so what if I want to write a React code? Um, um, so in the React code, what I want two components to have home screen and the navbar, for example. So when I type, write me two JSX components. If I'm using React plus Vite, I'll ask it to write me two JSX components. Two JSX components. So if I'm creating a fashion website and I want two components for first is navbar and second is hero page for a fashion brand. So I gave it the prompt and when I click on generate, it will generate me two different files with the relevant things. Hero.jsx generated and navbar.jsx generated exactly as I wanted. Now I'll show you more features of it. For example, in this folder in hello.py, what if I wanted to multiply two numbers instead of adding them? So what will I do? I'll right click it, I will select the text, right click, and then there is code editor option of codeEasy. On clicking this, I have to give it a prompt. If I write multiply instead and click on enter, it will generate me the multiplied code and it will also give me explanation of the changes done. Only when I accept the changes will be accepted. Since I accepted the changes are accepted. What if there were errors in the code? What if instead of print, it was printf? Or what if I want to add multiply two numbers, but if I just change number 1 and I put it 4, now it will give me the incorrect output and the print statement and the output that I'm getting is not matching. It should fix me this code. So when I right click on it and I choose fix bugs, it will fix the bugs for me and give me in the AI code editor panel. Now since it has fixed the bugs, when I click on accept changes, see number 1 has been replaced by 4. When I click on accept changes, it accepts the changes. When I right click and now if I want to check if all the test cases will be passed by this function, is this correct? I don't want to write PyTest for it. I'll just right click and click generate test cases. When I do that, all the test cases will be generated and when I right click on it and generate test cases, it generated the test cases and I got the output and it itself ran them on the terminal and I can see 6 test cases passed in 0.07 seconds. This is all about my extension. You can download it on VS Code and it will be very easy to use by following these steps. Thank you.